Camp Nou looked very different the last time we checked in. In just a few days, several key areas have changed dramatically, with major structures taking another significant step toward completion. What we're seeing now goes far beyond routine construction progress. For the first time, some sections are beginning to reveal the scale and shape of the final vision, and a few of today's developments could be more important than they initially seem. One of the biggest updates comes from the compression ring. A new radial beam is now in place in the south stand, while Xavi's footage also captured the enormous bolt used to secure the beam to the column, highlighting once again the remarkable scale of these structural components. At the same time, another box section has been installed in the south stand as crews move from the massive XXL units to a series of smaller sections, with progress continuing across the stadium. The compression ring is steadily moving toward completion. The next major phase will see the installation of the columns that will eventually connect to the tension ring, while the latest live views already showcase the newly secured beam and box section as part of the growing structure. A noticeable change can now be seen in the corner section, where concrete work has been completed across the entire area. The signs were already there during the previous visit, with crews preparing for the pour, and now both the lower and upper sections have been fully concreted. While some vertical elements are still awaiting completion, the flooring work is largely finished. From this position, there's also a much clearer view of the diamond structure, which isn't as easy to capture from other angles. After even a short absence, the progress on the diamond structure becomes impossible to miss. The area has advanced significantly, with all columns now concreted and an increasing number of support props installed across the scaffolding. While work is still ongoing, the structure is clearly moving closer to its next stage, and the 3 diamond sections along this side are progressing remarkably well. Elsewhere, new LED lights have now been installed along the upper section of the facade slats, a feature that is expected to give the stadium a stunning appearance once fully illuminated. Additional work continues across the exterior, while more escalators keep arriving on site, highlighting the pace of installation activity throughout the stadium. Nearby, waterproofing tests are also underway, with sections intentionally filled with water to verify that everything is performing correctly before the next concrete layer is applied. Higher up, the second level is now fully covered with sandwich panels, and a tower crane has arrived in position, suggesting that more materials could soon be lifted to the upper structure. One area drawing particular attention is the 3rd tier, where worker activity has been spotted around the scaffolded sections. The lighting installation is still ongoing, but with important upcoming events approaching, work is expected to accelerate in the coming weeks. At the same time, crews continue sealing gaps between seating sections, while progress is also being made on the VIP ring, curtain wall installations, and access doors throughout the stadium. The pace of work in the north stand has been impressive. Just days after the first facade slat was installed in this section, nearly the entire area has now been completed, with only a handful of pieces still waiting to be placed. Progress is also visible beneath the cantilever structure, where more service pipes have been installed along the underside. As the protective netting gradually moves forward, it continues to reveal just how much work has already been completed in this area. A promising sign has emerged in the corner section, where the first facade slats have already arrived on site. Additional slats are also prepared nearby, suggesting installation could begin very soon in this area. Meanwhile, protective netting is now in place beneath the cantilever, ready for the upcoming installation of service pipes. Elsewhere, work continues around the mobility cores, where painting and preparation tasks remain underway before sandwich panels can be installed. Aside from the arrival of the facade slats, there have been few major changes in this section, but the area is clearly being prepared for the next stage of construction. Work remains active in the grandstand section, where crews appear to be preparing the supports for the facade slats, while sandwich panel installation continues near the upper levels. Only a few panels remain to be placed before reaching the cantilever area, with lifting equipment already positioned nearby. Below, the storage area remains filled with components destined for the compression ring, including formwork structures, box sections, radial beams, and columns awaiting installation. Aside from ongoing preparations and material staging, there have been few major changes in this section, with some sandwich panel work on the mobility core still awaiting completion. Another noticeable change can be seen around the diamond structure, where crews are now covering the block walls along the side section. The work has advanced significantly, with much of the surface already concealed beneath its new finish, while activity continues on site to complete the remaining areas. Elsewhere, the diamond structure continues to take shape, with temporary doors in place and construction materials still spread throughout the area. The surrounding space remains filled with formwork equipment, highlighting that work is still actively progressing in this section. The corner section offered another interesting view of the compression ring, with crews using the tower crane to move equipment while work continued around the site. From this angle, the latest radial beam and supporting column can be seen extending further into the grandstand area, highlighting the steady progress being made on the structure. There are also signs that a new column has recently been installed in the upper section, adding to the momentum of the project. With construction advancing across multiple fronts, the compression ring continues to grow and move closer to its next major milestone. Inside the stadium, work remains fully focused on preparing the future playing surface. Specialized machinery continues processing the existing pitch by removing the upper layer and screening the soil to create the proper foundation for the new natural grass system. Excavators remain active throughout the field, transporting excavated material while crews carefully level and prepare the surface for the next phase of installation. These operations are a critical part of building a high-performance playing surface, ensuring proper drainage, stability, and long-term durability before the new natural grass is finally installed. Inside the VIP areas, construction continues progressing steadily across multiple levels. Crews remain busy completing the interior enclosure, while permanent doors are now visible in several sections. Additional finishing work is taking place around the corridors, balconies, and hospitality spaces as workers prepare these premium areas for future architectural installations. Every update reveals more of the final layout, showing clear progress toward completing one of the stadium's most exclusive sections. And with that, we've reached the end of today's report. From the rapid progress of the compression ring to the continued transformation of the diamond structure, every update is bringing the stadium one step closer to its final form. What's especially fascinating is that many of the changes we're seeing today are laying the foundation for some of the project's most important phases still to come. As always, we'll be keeping a close eye on every new development. If progress continues at this pace, the next update could reveal even bigger milestones. Until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.